Alright guys, I got a 2013 Porsche Cayenne here, and every time I try to lock it, it starts flashing that hazard light. And after reading a bit about it on forums, they said that there's got to be a problem with the alarm horn. So I'm gonna try to replace that today and hopefully fix this problem. Alarm horn is located in between the, or close to the windshield wiper motors. I'm gonna have to remove the windshield wiper arms and hopefully get to that alarm horn. Oh, it came off. Oh yes.
Better than a 76 at least.
Oh, this harder than I thought. It's under that windshield motor, so I have to remove everything. Okay, got a little problem. Had my windshield replaced like probably 6 months ago, and now that plastic wouldn't come off, so I'm gonna have to just work around it. Hopefully I can get that windshield wiper motor out of there. But see it. That is a pain in the butt. Hi guys, there is the problem right there. That alarm horn, I can finally see it. All I gotta do now is take it off and replace it. Nut will not fall off into oblivion, and then I'm gonna pull it up a little bit and try to remove that connector and put the other one on. Cool. So that's where the nut was removed right there. Alright, finally got it off, but I had to remove the two nuts holding the bracket. So there's one right here and there's one over there. So just take those two nuts off and you'll be able to move it around and remove that center nut. So the part number for this old one is 1K8951-605B. Then I bought this one with a different part number. It's 1K0951-605C. I think this one was superseded by this one, and then they give me a different part number at the dealership, and it says PAB 951-605. I think that's the latest part number. Alright, so I took the whole bracket out. It would be easier that way. Just install it like this. So there are 5 bolts for the windshield washer to get to that alarm horn. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and then one right here. 5. Yep. Look at this stuff. Alright, I think everything is done right here. Alright. Let me test it first before putting back everything. Let's see. See. Did it work? Oh! No more hazard light. Alright, awesome. It works. That solves the problem.